the other Lamborghinis as well, and this has also the Lamborghini badge at this. Hello guys, good evening. This is Sir Cave Review, and today we are going to unbox this number 78 Lamborghini Sián FXP 37. Alright, this is an RMZCity model, scale model car, and it is suitable for all ages. Alright, so without a further ado, let's get started. So now we have this Lamborghini Sián car, which is similar to other Lamborghinis as well, and this has also the Lamborghini badge at this box. Alright, so this is color rainbow and silver. Quality models. This is a quality used model car, and it has this kind of models. Alright, some plastic parts, but all around this vehicle is metal, surrounded with metal parts. Alright, so let's open it. Okay, very good. Whoa, this is very fabulous car. This is my favorite color green. Right, this is colored green, and this is right quality Lamborghini car as well. All right, let's get started with screwing this. Let's just put the box and the other box away. Whoa, this is very interesting. Oh, let's check a close look. Wow, this is very nice. Yeah, this is very nice as well. Okay, alright. What I like for this Lamborghini Sián FP37 are the doors. Alright, I'm gonna teach you on how to open the doors in this vehicle. So it's just simple. All you have to do is just raise this up. Oh my gosh, it also has a sticker, but let me remove that. And also for the other side as well, just hold the side mirror, or here it's better to put it upwards. This has no sticker as well. Oh, there is. I'm gonna remove that. Alright, going back to this topic with these doors, these are special doors that majority of Lamborghini models has. Alright, oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Oh, also at the back part of this, no way. Alright, so these wheels are in a different size. Yeah, so those are like the Lamborghini ones. To close it, simple, just put it down and put down these two. Alright, let's check the view of the car. So I'm just gonna take a zoom. The car itself, the other right back side, the front left side of its mirror view, and the front side as well. So these are the one with the doors opened. Guys, this is the pullback diecast car. I'm gonna show you a demonstration. So front, let's make a turn, and yeah, that was quick and fast. So yeah, I'm done with the pullbacks. Now I'm gonna show you the under chassis. I'm sure that you guys will be amazed with this one. Oh, no way, this is cool. And you can see here, the front tire, the rear tires are very thin compared to the back tires as well, which is very thicker. Yeah, so guys, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and don't forget to click the bell button below. And if you have comments or suggestions, feedbacks, I'm also open and willing to reply to your comments down below. Peace out, and see you in my next video.